In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a channel template in Slack step by step so you can organize channels faster, onboard teammates more efficiently, and keep communication consistent across your workspace. Channel templates are especially useful for teams that repeatedly create similar types of channels, such as project channels, support channels, onboarding spaces, or announcement channels. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Slack tutorials and productivity tips. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and inside the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, open the channel where you want to work with templates, or simply open any existing channel to access the channel settings. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen where the channel name appears. Slack hides many advanced channel options in this area. Now, click on the channel name or the small drop-down arrow next to it. This will open the channel menu. From the menu, select More, then click on Tools. Inside this section, you'll find additional Slack features that are not always visible during normal day-to-day use, but they can be extremely useful for organizing your workspace. Next, click on Channel Templates. This opens Slack's built-in template library, where you can browse ready-made templates designed for different workflows and team structures. Take a moment to explore the available templates. You may see options such as project kickoff templates, help desk templates, team update templates, or announcement templates. When you click on a template, Slack will display a preview so you can see exactly what content, structure, or guidelines will be added to the channel. Once you find the template you want to use, click Use Template. Slack will then ask you to choose the channel where the template should be applied. You can either apply it to an existing channel or use it while creating a new one. From the list, select the correct channel carefully, especially if your workspace contains many channels with similar names. After selecting the channel, click Create. Slack will begin setting up the template automatically. Depending on the size of your workspace and the selected template, this process may take a few moments. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Got it, and Slack will complete the setup in the background. After a short time, your channel will be fully configured with the template content already added and ready for your team to use immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added a channel template in Slack. Using templates is a great way to save time, stay organized, and make sure everyone on your team follows a consistent structure from the very beginning. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Slack tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.